Let's paint something simple today, which will help us to de-stress and bring a sense of calmness. We will take a trip to the beach and listen to the sound of waves as we relax and unwind. To paint our calmness beachscape, we use watercolor paper, watercolors in the shades turquoise and yellow ochre, white gouache, round brushes in the size 8 and 2, tape, a pencil, a paper towel and a jar of water. Let's visualize that we are walking bare feet at a beautiful beach with clean turquoise water and soft sand under our feet. Imagine the sound of the calm waves. Now let's begin by evenly wetting our paper. And by dropping a light value of turquoise on the paper. As you watch the color spread on the paper, think of the waves that are gently touching your toes and feel all the tension leaving your body. Feel yourself getting lost in this beautiful calming blue on the paper. Now focus on this calming blue shade and nothing else around you. Just watch how it spreads over the paper like the water underneath your feet that is finding a way back into the sea when the waves withdraw. Hope you feel calm and de-stressed after painting this beachscape. Don't forget to take some time out every day or whenever you can to unwind and relax, especially when you've had a stressful day.